Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crop on Canva. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in straight into the video. Go ahead and open up your Canva application and log into your account. From the main homepage, tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen in order to create a new design first. From the list, select one of the designs you want to work on. Go ahead and select one of the suggestions from the list, or you can also use your own media by tapping on Use Your Own Photo at the bottom of the screen. Select a photo from your library, and once you are done selecting, tap on the next button at the bottom. Select the image and tap on Add. Select the image, and then once you are done, from the bottom of the menu, tap on the crop option. After clicking on the crop option, you'll see cropping handles appearing on the image. You can also use the preset aspect ratio, example 1:1 for square, 16:9 for widescreen, and much more. Go ahead and select one of the aspect ratio from the list, and once you find the one that is best for you, you can tap on Done to finalize the crop. You can also drag the slider appearing on the screen and adjust the image according to your preference. Simply go ahead and crop the image according to your need. And once you are done, you can save your design by clicking on the download button at the top right. If you want to continue editing the design, you can do so by adding the text, elements, or making other modifications. So that is how you can easily crop your design on Canva. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.